Good day, friends. Welcome. Got USDT sitting in your Binance Web3 wallet and want to move it to an exchange like KuCoin, Binance, or Kraken? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about this. So first, you need to open your Binance app and go to the Web3 Wallet tab. Make sure your wallet is unlocked, then look for USDT token in the assets list. Tap it and select Send option. Next, head over to the crypto exchange where you want to receive the funds. Navigate to deposit section, choose USDT, and carefully select the same network as your Web3 wallet. Copy the USDT deposit address provided. Go back to Binance Web3 Wallet. Paste the exchange deposit address into the recipients field. Double check that the network you're using matches exactly. Now enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, then tap Next or Send. Verify the transaction details. Some confirmations like Face ID or two-factor authentication may be required, and after that your transaction will be sent to pending, and most transfers complete within minutes. And that's it. That's how you send your USDT from Binance Web3 wallet to any crypto exchange. Like and follow for more crypto wallet tutorials, and stay safe when moving funds.